Hello guys, it's me, Menace Uzi here, and today we are making a Roblox video on my first account. Okay, and I'm with my boy, Funky Boy. And today we are just making we are doing some treasure hunt here today, and if you want to join me later on, you can if you friend me on Roblox or friend me on Xbox, which you want to be able to. Just letting you know. And so yeah, I know you can't hear it because I had to turn down the audio because it would have copyrighted music, and we don't want that. So yeah. So me gonna go all the way down this hole. Go down this one. Go down this one. All the way down, 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 all the way down. And we are just doing some crap. And me and my friend Funky Boy and my cousin Hayden are in a lobby together. But Hayden can't do that. You know why? Because he does not have a YouTube account already, so you know. And okay, let me just on the backpack. Okay, 20k, 24k. Why do people move? Did I just see a chest? And we are just... Hey, don't forget to say sub to Menace Uzi. Sub to Menace Uzi today. I'm making it. So we are trying to get, what is the next one? I can't remember. What's the next one? I can't remember. What's the next one to buy? Oh, dynamite. Okay, that's expensive as crap. Oh, why? It's stuck. No, help! It won't work. We have to get off. Oh, yeah! Dang it! I can't even move my mouse. so I do have to leave the game. I do, and then I will join back, and just letting you guys know, fixing that shit always really hard, but go back to why does random keep popping up on this? And I don't know why it's so laggy. So yeah, I'm gonna play my friend's island and Adventure Zone. If you didn't remember, let me Roblox channel for a little bit. I don't know what I'm gonna change it not to. I don't know what I'm gonna change it not to. You know, pull up on your music, go to half my heart is in Havana. I will only dab on you. Pull up on your black and gold right that. Yeah, okay, little brother, Jiggy, Jana, who's me? What? Yeah. Put up on your black and gold right that. Oh yeah. Bitches. Self in the music room. Never gonna let it go. Self in the music room. Never let it go. So now get your chance to blow. Pull up on your block and go da. You know we shooting haters, now we gonna go. And I missed the treasure chest, so why you try and beat me? All I am shooting down these holes and making po. So today we are ending the video. Sorry for a short one, but I had to because how it's going, how my videos are running, and sorry about this, but peace out. See you guys later, Uzis. Peace out. Bye-bye. Sorry I didn't do an intro today too. I had to go so fast. Bye-bye.